you ever read the Emperor Qin Shi of Qin?
Huh?
Yeah,
Say it again.
진시황제.
What?
진시황제.
Okay.
He was the first person to unify China. He was famous for many episodes, but today I'll talk especially about eternal life, which are drugs that are for slow aging. My presentation is divided into 8 parts. And at the very last, I prepared some simple quizzes, so please pay attention. Let's get started. First, can drugs slow aging? The answer is yes. Drugs can slow cancer, the risk of cancer, dementia, heart disease, and strokes. And it can also reduce wrinkles and hairs. So there really is something similar to eternal life. Now that we know that there are drugs for slow aging, let's look at the main 5 of them one by one. First, rapamycin. Rapamycin originated from a bacteria called rapanulin. Scientists found out that rapamycin expands mouse's lifespan. The ITP, or Interventions Testing Program, found out rapamycin can expand these. And also, it may improve immunity in older people. Second, senolytics. Senolytics removed aged senescent cells. Senescent is a scientific word for old. And when it does this, it kind of acts like slow aging. And like rapamycin, senolytics expand mouse's lifespan. In the 2018 paper, they did an experiment. 24-month-old mice, which is old for mice, took senolytics and got biologically younger and lived longer and healthier. And we are hoping that this might work on humans as well. Next, metformin. Metformin is a drug that helps with diabetes. People having diabetes, when they take this, they live longer than people who don't. In the medical records, they compared 2 groups. Group A took metformin and Group B didn't. As a result, Group A lived longer than Group B. However, these drugs still need teen trials or targeting aging with metformin. But fortunately, it doesn't have any side effects, so the scientists are working on it. Next, taurine. Taurine is already within our body and declines with age. It also expands mouse's lifespan, and it also makes monkeys healthier. If you're familiar with this word, then because taurine can be found in energy drinks like Red Bulls and Monsters. In the 2030s Gray study, taurine was given to several mice, and the mice lived 10% longer. And we have hopes that it might also work on humans and work as real slow aging drugs. Last but not least, statins. Statins lower cholesterol, heart disease risk, and mortality. However,
Morality?
yes,
Mortality?
mortality. I misspelled it. But it has side effects, so the scientists are trying to find ways to use statins without side effects. Neutrophils are the immune systems in our body, but as we get older, it loses the ability to navigate danger and makes us age faster. Fortunately, statins can improve the sense of direction. And also, telomeres are the caps of our DNA, and statins can make them longer, which makes us age really slower. Now let me tell you some amazing facts about these drugs. Did you know that your pet dogs might get slow aging drugs faster than you guys? The reason is quite simple. The first reason is dogs are a popular model in the aging compound, and now they're processing clinical tests. Another reason is that because dogs have low average life expectancy, Owners would do anything to make their dogs live longer. Most of you guys mistaken that dogs usually live to 15 to 17 years or maybe 20, but actually they usually live to 12 to 16 years. It's actually quite short compared to humans, and owners would spend a lot of money on it. So as a result, dogs might get slow aging drugs faster than their owners, which makes us live with them longer, and maybe in a far future, we might get that drugs too. Now, if you don't have any questions, I'll move on to the quizzes. First, how many drugs did I mention today? Yes. Number 2, name one of the drugs.
Metformin.
Yes. The answers are number 1, 5, number 2, rapamycin, senolytics, metformin, statins, and taurine. Living in eternal life might sound nice, but I usually wonder if we all live to eternity, then will we appreciate life and treasure it? Or will we live our best? Or will we just neglect it? Before we use these drugs, I hope we could think about this question deeply before making our decision. Thank you for listening.
Okay.